Terms of the second type of site. I told you, I explained you what is sites. Sites are the places where remains of things, tools, pots, building, etc. were found, and later on they were studied by archaeologists. Now in the last paragraph you see find a place called France in your atlas, and the painting below in this is of a cave in France, and the site was discovered by 4 school children more than 100 years ago. Painting like these were made between 20,000 and 10,000 years ago. Many of these were of animals such as wild horses, ochros, an older wild form of cattle, Bashan, woolly rhinoceros, reindeer and bear, painted in bright colors, very bright colors. Now these colors were made from minerals like ochre or iron ore and charcoal. These are kind of minerals, natural minerals, and it is possible that these paintings were done on ceremonial occasion, on special occasion, or perhaps they were made for special rituals performed by hunterers before they went in search of prey. It is assumed by the archaeologists why they painted such paintings during this period. So that's all we have in this chapter. Thank you and have a good day. And what they tell us, many caves used to be by the early people have the instance of painting on the walls. Some best examples are from Madhya Pradesh and southern Uttar Pradesh. These paintings of wild animals were drawn with great accuracy and skill. Who did what? Now who did what? We have seen that the earliest people hunted, gathered plant product, made stone tools, painted on cave walls. Is there any way of finding out whether women hunted or not? Whether the female gender, they took part in hunting or not? But so at present we do not really know. However, there are at least 2 possibilities. It is likely that both men and women, they took part in hunting, and it is likely that even children took an active part in all these activities, and some of the tasks were done by women, and some work were done by only the female gender of the society, while the other works were done by the men. And again, there could have been different practices in different parts of the subcontinent. Ostriches in India. Now what are ostriches? Ostriches are kind of birds. They found in India during the Paleolithic period. Large quantities of ostrich eggs, and an egg of an ostrich is very huge, big. So the shells were found in Patna in Maharashtra. The shells of these eggs were found in Patna in Maharashtra. Designs were engraved on some pieces, while beads, what are beads? ये जो मोती होते हैं, this small beads जिसकी माला बनती है, that are called beads, were also made out of them. Now a closer look at Hansgi on page number 2. On page number 14 on the map 2, we saw a place called Hansgi, a number of early Paleolithic sites. It is a Paleolithic site have been found where large number of tools were used for various activities, and the site of Hansgi were habitation cum factory site, because at the same time the evidence of manufacturing tools have also been found, and this has been suggested that most of the tools found there were made up of limestone, which was locally available.